Now, epoxidation of the carbon-carbon double bond. So, treatment of an alkene with the peroxy acid, such as metachloroperbenzoic acid, results in formation of an epoxide. Epoxide is also called as oxyrane. This also occurs through a concerted transition state. Okay, this mechanism occurs through a concerted transition state. Here, what point we have to take into consideration? Which bond is breaking from the perbenzoic acid? Which bond is weak? That one we will see first. Note that the weak oxygen-oxygen bond breaks in metachloroperbenzoic acid or in peroxide. The weak oxygen-oxygen bond breaks. That means oxygen-oxygen which is present, oxygen-oxygen bond which is present in this metachloroperbenzoic acid, that one is the weak bond, and that bond is getting break. The proton from the peroxy acid is picked up by the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, so this is the mechanism of epoxidation reaction. Which bond is breaking? What is happening with the hydrogen which is attached to that oxygen atom? Okay, so that we will see on the next slide what is the mechanism. So what here up to now what we have to understand in mechanism, that in peroxide oxygen weak oxygen bond is breaking. Okay, and as weak oxygen oxygen bond is breaking, this definitely, so one hydrogen is attached to the electronegative oxygen atom. What is happening with that hydrogen atom? Okay, so that hydrogen atom is getting picked up by the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, so we will see this mechanism on next slide. The fact that the peroxides have low stability, pay attention, peroxides, they are highly unstable, that's why they are highly reactive. Okay, so this is very important point, that peroxide, they are very unstable, they are low stable, that's why they are very reactive. And as that they are very reactive, they can break very easily what the weak oxygen oxygen bond possess in that peroxide. Okay, this in the presence of weak pi bond, weak pi is a good combination to drive epoxidation reaction forwards. Okay, so weak oxygen bond is present in the peroxide. That's why we can do this reaction as fast as possible. So here is the mechanism of the epoxidation by peroxycarboxylic acid. So pay attention which bond is breaking from the peroxy acids. Okay, so the oxygen in the peroxide is electron deficient and is attacked by the p electrons of the pi bond. Okay, so here carbon carbon double bond acts as a nucleophile, and oxygen from the peroxide acts is as it's electron deficient, it acts as a electrophile. At the same time, the lone pair of the oxygen also acts as a nucleophile. Lone pair which is present on this carbonyl oxygen acts as a nucleophile, attacking one of the carbon atom of the alkene. Okay, so we'll see slowly what is the same. So on this slide, what we will understand, which oxygen is getting detached from this peroxide to form this epoxide. So oxygen atom attached to the hydrogen atom. Okay, so out of these three oxygen atom which is the oxygen atom which is attached to one oxygen atom, another oxygen atom, and one hydrogen atom, that oxygen atom is electron deficient, and this oxygen atom is going to insert for the in that three membered epoxide ring. Okay, so the oxygen atom, that one is breaking from the oxygen hydrogen bond and oxygen oxygen bond. So as we know, oxygen oxygen bond is weak, so it will get easily break. So and in that way carbon carbon double bond is abstracting this oxygen atom, we can say like that. So epoxidation transition state you can write in this way. Okay, so pay attention where are the negative charge that have been placed, and on which atom the positive charge has been placed. So on carbon atom, on carbonyl carbon atom, delta positive charge has been placed, and on carbonyl group, okay, carbonyl group, on that oxygen atom delta negative charge is placed. Then another oxygen atom which is attached to that another oxygen atom, that one also possesses delta negative charge. Obviously the hydrogen is delta is electropositive, so this possesses delta positive charge. Okay, so this is the epoxidation transition state, and then we will get this our final product, epoxide ring with elimination of the carboxylic acid.